Hey everyone, we have this Veeba brand Vegfoodz soya sauce, so let's check it out. This one is 225-gram bottle, MRP is 56 and we got it from Amazon for 44. Link is given in the description box. The bottle is made up of glass and the shelf life is 18 months. After opening the bottle, you must keep it in the fridge. To open, simply push the cap and twist. It contains no MSG, Ajinomoto or artificial flavor. Other normal dark soya sauce available in the market cost half the price, but they contain many chemicals. And it has fermented kind of aroma. The color is dark, deep brown, almost black. The consistency is slightly thick, not thin like water. And they have named it soya drizzle, so you can drizzle it directly over noodles or snacks. I used it while making noodles at home and the taste is balanced. It gives your food a perfect umami flavor and a rich shop like brown color. So if you make Chinese food at home and you are looking for a healthy soya sauce, you should definitely give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.